Today we're going to learn how to wrap a 3D soda can. So since we're going to be doing several projects, let's go ahead and set up a template. So I'm going to do File, New. I've got very specific sizes, 7.113 inches by 4.003 inches, RGB, okay, and we want to make it landscape. And now I'm going to click right here, and I want to save this as Soda Can 3D, and then save this preset. So now every time I come to set that up, I can just click Create, and I'll already have my background. I have a background I want to use. Control A for all. Edit Copy. Now, in case my rulers weren't showing, I could go to View and Rulers to show them. And if they were showing in pixels, I can just right-click inside the ruler and change it to inches. So this is key. I'm going to go over here, click and drag across, and I'm going to put this about 2.2. I'm going to click and drag and put another one over here about 4.6, 4.7. And this is going to be the middle part of my design. Okay, so now I'm going to need to click on the text tool to add some text for the name of my drink. Okay, I've added my text. An easy way to align this evenly is I can click the Move tool, and up here, since I have my text selected, I can click Center, so that way it is dead in the center. Then I can go and edit my colors and add some text effects. You can add an optional circle if you want. In this case, I also added a stroke to the circle. And then I went in and used a creative circle, a stroke pattern for the outside of it. Now here's where we want to go ahead and save our work before we create our can. I've saved this as Rough Surf Can. My next step is I need to flatten all the layers. So I'm going to click the Layer Panel options and click Flatten Image. From here, I want to save this one more time, and now I'm going to save this as Rough Surf Can Flat, so that way I can still go back and edit my original. So step one is to flatten the images. From here, we simply go to 3D, New Mesh from Layer, Mesh Preset, and choose Soda. Depending on your computer, you'll need to give it a couple minutes for the 3D to work. And when we do that, we're going to be switching to the 3D workspace. I'm going to move my 3D options over here so we can work with them. So first I have my label material. I can click here and I can adjust the glow of the can. I can adjust how metallic we want to make it, the roughness, the opacity. I have several options. Next, I can click the cap material. I can change the cap. I can change the base color of the cap if I want. I can also adjust the metallic and other parts. When I go and I can click Infinite Light, that's going to let me pretend I basically have a flashlight, and then this will be able to show a shadow for the can. When I click in the middle, then I can rotate this on the different axes. I can rotate it, I can turn it, I can see how it looks right, left, top to bottom. Okay, so I can turn my drink around, see how it looks now. I did notice right here, these don't align up just even, so that might be something I may want to check when I go back and make any edits on there. When I click the Move tool, that's going to let me see some of the other grids on the page. To export this, especially if I've got my background showing, I want to do File, Export, Export As, and I'm going to want to make this transparent. So to make it transparent, we're going to want to export it as a PNG with that transparency box checked. Okay. So again, I've got a new document here. And to make it, I'm going to go to after I've flattened the layers, I want to go to 3D, New Mesh from Layer, Mesh Preset, and choose Soda. Then over here, I can click on the different options. I can click on the glow, the metallic. Remember, you can also adjust your can. The can lid, you can adjust the color and base color of your lid as well. And then again, I can click and I can rotate and beat the heat with a can of cactus juice. So this is just a quick review on how to create a 3D using a can. And later, as you get more comfortable with this, you can also go and look at some of the other 3D options that are available. Want to grab a can of Calf Pride to get some energy to get you through the school day. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy making your 3D models.